It's always unlocked. Yeah. Hey, the hatchback on the truck is always unlocked, right?
Oh.
Next time I have to get a bike.
They playing regular music now?
Check it out.
This is straight. My mama let me use it.
Oh, yeah.
Next try. This ass right here. Stop hiding.
So we are at the Wanted Riders pool party out here in Vegas. If you're not here, kill yourself. Because it's a hot sunny day. We got bikers. We got beautiful people. We got drink. We got food. Yes.
A lot of drink.
A lot of drink. Yes.
A lot of drink.
That's water.
This is how the
High quality
Moscato's over there.
Women.
Everybody, she popped on that. You over here too?
Oh, yeah.
Everybody face. Hey, if you don't know, you need to ask somebody and get familiar. Ask Markeisha when she put this video up. Say, Markeisha, how did you end up out there? Who told you to come? Who told you to come? And she'll be like, my homegirl PT was like, you should come. And she was like, man, I don't know. And I was like, no, for real, you should come. It's hot though, right?
It is.
It is. If you're not here, kill yourself.
You in my view, sir. Okay, now get out my view, sir. No, we don't want none of that.
I gotta get my part two. Just hold it for a second.
Ah!